Welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down the biggest takeaways from Diary of a CEO with Stephen Bartlett. Episode we can now reverse stage 4 cancer and these foods are spreading it with Dr. William Li, chronic disease expert. Today we're exploring how your body can fight cancer and how everyday choices can tip the odds in your favor. Dr. William Li, Harvard-trained physician and researcher, explains how food, sleep, and stress control activate our own built-in defenses powerful enough to help some people go from stage 4 cancer to completely cancer-free. Instead of listening to the full 126 minutes, I'll give you the most important insights in just 4. Every 24 hours, each of us creates thousands of DNA copying errors, tiny microscopic cancers. Normally, specialized defense systems patrol the body, spot these cells, and remove them before they grow. Cancer only takes hold when those defenses fail. The good news? Lifestyle choices can keep those defenses strong. Dr. Li highlights 5 integrated systems that constantly protect us. The immune system. Think of it as a 24/7 security patrol. It identifies abnormal cells, tags them, and eliminates them before they can form tumors. Angiogenesis and circulation. Our 60,000 miles of blood vessels feed every cell. The body can cut off vessels feeding tumors while still nourishing healthy tissues, essentially starving cancer. Gut microbiome. Trillions of bacteria help regulate immunity, balance hormones, and even determine how well modern cancer treatments like immunotherapy work. A diverse microbiome is like a smart operations center for the whole body. DNA protection and repair. Every cell copies DNA billions of times. Built-in spell check enzymes correct errors and prevent mutations from becoming dangerous. Regeneration systems, stem cells, and growth factors repair tissues and organs, keeping everything functioning smoothly as we age. The exciting part? Foods and daily habits can boost every one of these systems. Green tea, matcha, berries, onions, garlic, dark chocolate, pomegranates, and even purple potatoes have compounds that lower inflammation, strengthen blood vessels, and can literally starve tumors in lab tests. Just as you can raise your defenses, you can also lower them, sometimes without realizing it. Excess sugar. Constantly high blood sugar forces the body to produce more insulin, wearing out metabolic systems and feeding inflammation. Too much salt, high sodium damages blood vessel linings and accelerates cellular aging, setting the stage for hypertension and vascular disease. Frequent alcohol. The alcohol itself is a universal toxin, hard on the brain, liver, and heart, even if it comes in healthy red wine. Ultra-processed foods, preservatives, refined carbs, and chemical additives inflame tissues and disrupt the gut microbiome. Environmental toxins, microplastics from food packaging, plastic utensils, and even some tea bags can embed in organs, inflame blood vessels, and are now linked to higher risks of stroke and heart attack. Chronic stress and poor sleep. Persistent stress hormones weaken immunity, damage DNA, and raise blood pressure. Lack of deep sleep robs the brain of its nightly detox and keeps fat-burning metabolism switched off. These factors all push your shields down, giving cancer and other chronic diseases a better chance to take hold. These factors accelerate aging, damage blood vessels, and inflame the body, creating a friendlier environment for cancer. Modern treatments are harnessing the immune system in groundbreaking ways. Immunotherapy and personalized cancer vaccines can teach the body to recognize and destroy tumors. But even with advanced medicine, patients with strong gut bacteria respond better. And you can nurture gut bacteria naturally by eating pomegranates, cranberries, Concord grapes, chili peppers, and using black vinegar. Here are some daily actions you can take for long-term protection. Center meals around diverse, minimally processed plants. Replace plastic containers with glass or ceramic. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to let your brain and body repair. Manage stress with movement, connection, or mindfulness. Enjoy teas like matcha or Earl Grey for extra polyphenols. Cancer isn't just chance. Your everyday choices, what you eat, how you sleep, how you handle stress can strengthen the very systems that keep cancer at bay. Small, consistent habits build powerful defenses, Your body is designed to protect you. Give it the tools to win. That's the summary of today's podcast breakdown. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. And as always, check out the original full episode linked below for a deeper dive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm going to go drink some matcha right now.